Your 20s are a financial launchpad. Every dollar you use wisely today can multiply many times over. Stop wasting money on things that lose value. I'll show you 7 purchases that plant wealth seeds for your future. If you want to master money before 30, you're in the right place. This is the blueprint I wish I had at 22. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Purchase number 1, the Skill Stack Investment. High-income skills. The first purchase isn't a stock or a bond. It's an upgrade to your own operating system. In your 20s, your greatest asset is your human capital, your ability to earn money. Most people stop learning the day they leave college. That's a costly mistake. The economy shifts quickly, and skills that paid well in 2015 may not be as valuable in 2025. The purchase? Spend money on books, courses, and certifications that teach you high-income skills. Examples: instead of just learning to code, buy a specific course on Python for data analysis or AWS cloud certification. Instead of just learning sales, buy the top books on negotiation and copywriting. Why this works? A $500 course that helps you negotiate a $10,000 raise has a huge return on investment. And because raises compound over your career, that single purchase could be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars over time. Your skills are the one asset that grows with you and can't be taken away. Invest in your ability to produce value. Purchase number 2, the boring wealth engine, a Roth IRA. The second purchase is the one that can set you up for long-term financial security, even if you make mistakes elsewhere. You need to buy your future freedom by funding a Roth IRA. The math? At age 20, every $1 invested in the S&P 500, historically averaging 10% annually, could grow to roughly $88 by age 65. At age 30, that same dollar might only grow to about $33. The purchase? You are buying time. By funding a Roth IRA in your 20s, you pay taxes now while your tax bracket is likely lower, so your money can grow tax-free for decades. The strategy? Automate this. Set up a direct deposit into a low-cost index fund like VOO or VTI. You aren't just saving money, you're buying shares of the American economy. This is the difference between working at 60 because you have to versus working because you choose to. Purchase number 3, the Freedom Vehicle. Reliable transportation. This is where many young adults derail their finances. They get their first real paycheck and immediately sign a contract for a $40,000 car. The data? According to Experian's Q3 2024 report, the average monthly payment for a new car in the US is nearly $740. That's a heavy financial burden. The purchase? Buy a 3 to 5-year-old reliable used car. Toyota Camry, Honda Civic, Mazda 3. The logic? A new car loses about 20% of its value the moment you drive it off the lot. A 3-year-old car has already absorbed that depreciation hit. By purchasing a reliable $15,000 car instead of a $40,000 one, you save roughly $500 a month in payments and insurance. If you invest that $500 monthly difference from age 25 to 65 at 8%, you could end up with around $1.7 million. That flashy car isn't just $740 a month, it's draining your future wealth potential. Choose the boring car. Buy your freedom instead. We're covering some serious ground here. If this breakdown of the opportunity cost of your purchases is helpful, please hit that like button. It helps us reach more people who need to hear this message. Purchase number 4, the Health Foundation. Preventative care. It's a cliche because it's true. Health is wealth. But in your 20s, you feel invincible, so you treat your body like a rental car. The purchase? Quality food, a gym membership, and preventative dental and medical care. The ROI? Poor health is one of the biggest financial risks in America. If you burn out at 35 or develop chronic issues at 40 because you lived on energy drinks and stress in your 20s, your earning potential drops dramatically. Think of fitness not as vanity, but as energy management. A gym membership, $50 a month, gives you the energy to crush that side hustle or nail that presentation. Therapy, $100 a session, keeps your mind clear so you don't make emotional money mistakes. Investing in your health ensures your energy and focus, the real wealth engine, lasts for decades. Purchase number 5, the network access, strategic travel and events. Your network is your net worth may sound cheesy, but it's often true. In your 20s, you need to buy access to rooms where people are smarter and more experienced than you. The purchase? Tickets to industry conferences, seminars, or strategic travel to hubs like New York, San Francisco, or Austin. The strategy? Don't travel just to party in Tulum. Travel to meet people. If you spend $1,000 to attend a conference in your field, and you meet one mentor who connects you to a job that pays $20,000 more, that ticket paid for itself many times over. You are buying proximity. In your 20s, you are often one handshake away from a life-changing opportunity. Go to where the handshakes happen. Purchase number 6, the time machine, outsourcing. This is controversial for 20-somethings, but it's a game changer. Once your hourly income exceeds the cost of a task, you should buy your time back. The purchase? Services like a cleaner, a meal prep service, or better tools or software that speed up your work. The logic? If you can earn $50 an hour freelancing or working overtime, but you spend 4 hours on Saturday cleaning your apartment, a $20 an hour task, you're losing money. By paying someone $80 to clean, you've freed up 4 hours. If you use those 4 hours to earn $200, you've netted a profit of $120, and you have a clean house. This teaches you to value your time as a finite resource. Successful people learn to buy time. Struggling people often sell it. Start practicing this mindset early. Purchase number 7, the credit builder, strategic debt tools. Finally, you need to buy the tool that unlocks the rest of the adult world, a strong credit score. The purchase? A secured credit card or a low-limit rewards card, paid off in full every month. The why? You cannot buy a house, get a good rate on a business loan, or sometimes even rent a nice apartment without a credit history. You're buying a track record of trust. By using a credit card for gas and groceries and paying it to zero every single month, you are building a 750-plus credit score. When you go to buy a home at 30, a 750 score versus a 650 score could save you tens of thousands of dollars in interest over the life of a mortgage. That's a powerful payoff for simply using credit responsibly. Your 20s aren't a waiting room, they're the launchpad. Skill Stack, buy knowledge. Wealth Engine, buy index funds. Freedom Vehicle, buy reliable car. Health Foundation, buy fitness and care. Network Access, buy the right rooms. Time Machine, buy back time. Credit Builder, buy trust. If you make these 7 purchases, you're not just spending money, you're engineering a life of wealth, health, and freedom. I'm curious to hear from you. Which of these 7 investments do you find most challenging? What was the best purchase you made in your 20s so far? Drop your answers in the comments and subscribe for more educational content on personal finance. Thanks for watching.